Have you ever looked at a Forex chart and wondered that where should I enter? So this is where the area of interest comes in. So basically it's a specific price zone that where the market need to react. So for example, the area of interest or the AOI can be a strong support or it can be a strong resistance. So it can be anything. It can be a supply demand or it can be an order block. So this everything is called AOI or area of interest. So instead of entering randomly, just go to the chart and enter randomly. No, traders are just waiting when the price come to the area of interest. But remember, AOI is always not strong. So sometimes the price come to the area of interest and it just broke the area of interest. So a lot of time traders are making mistake and when the price come to the area of interest, they are just entering and they are taking loss. So what we should do when the price come to the area of the interest, and what we need to do in that situation to avoid loss and take a win. So the first thing when you come to the chart, what you should do, you should look in the chart that where we are bullish or we are bearish. After that, you need to know where your area of interest is. So when you know that your area of interest is above or below, you are selling or buying, depend on your position. Then after that, you are entering the trade when the price come to the area of interest, and it will be some extra confluences in that area of interest that you should enter. So right now I will go to my screen and I will show you where you can put your area of interest and what is the area of interest, how you can create the area of interest in one chart. And after that, I will also show you how you can enter in that zone. So let's go to the screen. Yeah, so right now we are on the screen and let's go to the weekly. So the first thing you will do, you will have these three time frames: the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour. These three time frame is your highest time frame. You will start from the weekly, then you will go to the daily, then you will go to the 4 hour. So where you can put your area of interest? First, we need to see, are we bullish or are we bearish? So what is the bullish market? The bullish market is when we are creating higher high and higher lows. This is the bullish market. What is the bearish market? The bearish market is when we are creating lower low and lower high. So in this video, I will not explain a lot about bullish and bearish market because I already made video about that. You can see, check it out in my YouTube channel. But if you want I make new video about market structure, just put the comment and I will go and I will explain it really good for you guys. So the first one, when we come to the weekly chart, as you guys can see in here, the weekly is currently bullish. So this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, and we create the higher low. So the weekly is bullish. You will take your this text thing, you will put here weekly bullish. We will go to the daily, the next time frame. The next time frame is the daily. So the daily is also bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we will go to the upside. This is the daily. So after that, you will go to the 4 hour. Is the 4 hour bullish or bearish? So the 4 hour is currently bearish, lower low, lower high, lower low. Guys, if you don't understand this, don't skip this video. Just look what I'm explaining right now. I'm explaining the market structure. I'm not explaining area of interest. First, you need to understand the market structure. Then after that, you need to see the area of interest and how we can create the area of interest in the Forex market or crypto or whatever market, because the area of interest can't be just in Forex market. It can be in anything, in stock market, in Bitcoin, in everything. So you guys can see here the weekly is bullish. We can put here the daily is also bullish and the 4 hour is bearish. Okay, so what we are going to do right now, I will delete this area. So from this line in the weekly to this line, we are bullish. 2 time frame in sync. We need just 2 time frame in sync to go to the upside or to the downside. In this situation, we have 2 time frame in sync, the weekly and the daily. The 4 hour is bullish. We don't need the 4 hour because we have 2 time frame in sync. So we are bullish and we are going to the upside. This is our buys. So what we are going to do, we will create the area of interest in the weekly or in the daily. It can't be in the 4 hour because we need 2 time frame in sync, and this is the biggest time frame, weekly and the daily. So we will put our boxes like this. From this line to this line, we will delete these 2 lines back, because if the price come down of this, we are bearish, then we don't need the area of interest. If we go above, we are bullish, then this will be the next structure. This can't be the next structure, because the market structure is very, very important, guys. You need to see the market structure first, then after that you can create area of interest. So here we put this boxes, and what we will do, we will extend this to the left. When you extend this to the left like this much, not a lot, you can just, because here is no price action. So here what I am going to do, I will take my line, this line, and I will put from the above, and I will come slowly. What we have here, we have nothing, we just have one touch. What is the valid area of interest? In strong area of interest, it need to have 3 touches. If it have 3 touches or more than 3 touches, it's strong area of interest. If we have small touches than 3, then it's not that much valid and it's not that much strong. So price can go through, break and go from that area to another area. So here we have just one touch. What we will do, this is not our area of interest. We are coming down. What we have here we have one touch. We are coming down. Here we have one touch, 2 touch, and kind of here 3 touches. So you can put this the first area of interest. So 1 touch, 2 touch, and I will bring this small structure, this one. So I will include this. So this is the first area of interest. Again, you will put your box from here until here in the weekly chart, because our bias is bullish and we are going to the upside. What you will do, you will take again this line and you will come down. Okay, what we have here, we have 1 touch, 2 touch, not 3 touches. Here 1 touch, 2 touch, and you can put it like this. If you want to include these wicks like 1 touch, 2 touch, and 3 touches. So this is also the second area of interest. You can put it a little bit down like this. So here is 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and 4 touches. Okay, so here you will put weekly area of interest 1, and the second box is weekly area of interest 2. Okay, nice. This is beautiful. So what we are waiting for, we are waiting for the price to come here and reject and go to the upside. And here you can see it clearly. The price come here and we reject this area, and price is currently going to the upside. So okay, we found the weekly area of interest. What we are waiting for, we are waiting for to price come here and reject this area and go to the upside. We found in the weekly chart the weekly area of interest. Now we are going to the daily, because the weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bearish. We go to the daily. In the daily chart, you guys can see you will put your 2 lines, because from this structure we are bullish. We will take this trusty box from here to here. Okay, you will delete your lines back, and what you will do, you will take this one line and you will come slowly. The price is currently here, so you don't need to put area of interest above. You can directly come from here down. Okay, what we have here, we have 1 touch, not that much. Here we have 1 touch. Okay, 2 touches, and 3 touches. So yeah, this can be the daily area of interest 1. So I will put the box like this, and here like this, and I will delete this from here. And down, you don't need to put area of interest, because we already have the weekly area of interest, so it doesn't matter. The weekly is more stronger than the daily. So here I will put daily area of interest 1, and this is the weekly, and also this is the daily area of interest, because you can see here 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, 6 touches. Here if we come 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so this is more stronger than the daily area of interest. The daily area of interest have just 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, and 4 touch. We have 4 touches in the daily, but what we have in the weekly, 12 touches we have in the weekly area of interest. So the market come 12 times to the weekly area of interest, and it reject the weekly area of interest. So this is more stronger. If the price come here and give us some kind of reaction or rejection, so you will look for the buys. When we come to the area of interest right around here, you will look for the engulfing candlestick. When we have the engulfing candlestick, after that there is some confluences that I can't explain in here, but the biggest confluence is to reject that area. So when we come to the area of interest, you just need to look for the engulfing candlestick in the daily chart. If you have the engulfing candlestick in the daily chart, so then it means the daily is currently rejecting that area and you can enter. But there are some more things that I can't say it in this video because this video will become so much long. So there is, where you can put your stop loss, where you can put your take profit and things. So that I will explain in the next video. So, and also I'm recommending you to go to my Telegram and join that, because it's for free and there is a lot knowledge. I'm sharing my trades and weekly analysis and everything. So yeah, that is for area of interest today, and I explain what is the area of interest and everything. I hope guys you learn everything from me, and also you learn this area of interest, how you can create the area of interest. So these zones didn't come from blue. These zones comes how you are creating and how the market is reacting from that points. So I hope you learn guys things, and I hope you become profitable. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe the channel because it's new channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.